All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about the 7 proven ways to make money online in 2023. Now, while we're going through the 7 methods that I've picked out for the video, keep in mind that these are not the only ways. I understand that there are plenty of other ways that you can make money online, but I'm picking these ones out. I actually went through just some data and also based on my own experience, what I think are the best ways and proven ways that many people are making money online. So let's jump into the video. So the first one we have up is freelancing. Now, freelancing can mean a lot of different things. When I think of freelancing, typically I think of sites like Fiverr and Upwork, and there's even sites like onlinejobs.ph, where an entire country, the Philippines, millions of people jump on that platform to sell their freelancing services. But freelancing, a big one that you can think of just to get started, I would get started on Fiverr. I've made over $10,000 on Fiverr. And many of the methods I'm sharing with you today are methods that I've used myself to make an income online. Freelancing is probably the direction that I would go right off the bat. If you haven't made your first money online, then you can get started with freelancing, and you're going to be able to offer services like writing, like logo design, website. You could create websites for people. You can do social media management and offer that as a freelance service. You can do virtual assistance work. You can do, calling, sales calls, cold calling, if you're good at that for companies. You can do email marketing, almost anything that you can think of to offer your skill set, your craft, your services, you can actually freelance. And it's really cool because you get the freedom to make your own schedule, and you can offer several different services on those types of sites. So definitely I would recommend getting started on Fiverr and Upwork if freelancing is something that you're interested in. It's definitely a method that is proven and tested that you can actually start making money offering your time for to get paid for, right? And a lot of times you get paid by the project. So you might get paid $100 for doing a task for a business, and 2 different people, one person it might take an hour and a half to do that, and another person it might take 25 minutes, and they still get paid the same. So freelancing can be a really, really cool way. All right, so let's move on to our next method right here. And this is selling online courses. Now, many of you watching this video, if you're subscribed to Teach Me Money Methods, you've bought a course from me in the past. And I have made a lot of money selling courses, and not just to you, not just using my YouTube channel for a traffic source, but I've sold and I've made over $10,000 on Udemy as well. Udemy is a platform that you can go and sign up for. It's free to offer your courses to tens of thousands of people, or millions, I should say, visiting the site every month that want to learn a new skill and want to learn anything online. And it can be anywhere from computer programming and software engineering. It can be anything from how to make your first dollar online. You can sell that knowledge to people. If you're a writer, you can sell how to become a better writer. Really, the sky's the limit. And there are courses in every niche on Udemy. It's a great way to get started as well. If you want to do things at your own pace and just kind of get started in creating a course and selling your knowledge to people, then online courses is a really great way as well to get started. This is another proven method that I could show you. I'm not going to be logging into my accounts. You can go watch some of my other videos. I log in and I show you all the different accounts and the money that I make on these platforms. This one is an overview video, but online courses I definitely have made a lot of money. So I've made over $10,000 on Udemy, but selling your own courses on your own platforms like Samcart and Gumroad and all these other marketplaces. Warrior Plus is another good one. If you sell your product on there, then you can make more money for the work that you put in to creating the course, because they do take some time to create. And you can also get people that will go and promote your product for you as well. But when I look at all that, I've made tens of thousands of dollars selling courses. So courses is a really good one as well. So let's move on to the next one. And this is dropshipping and e-commerce, right? So basically think of Shopify and think of WooCommerce and just there's a Teespring and there's Redbubble, and you can even think of Etsy on this one as well. But really you're going to be, for example, creating a t-shirt with your own images on it. You can draw them yourself. You can create them for free in Canva, putting together some different graphics and so forth, and some text, some funny text or serious text, motivational text. You can get started designing them yourself, or you can outsource to someone that is an actual graphic designer that will go out there and create these designs for you. Then what you're going to be able to do with that is you're going to be able to go in and sell these on sites like Etsy, or create your own store like a Shopify store. And then you can go in, and the typical method to start driving traffic is, because it's not a full-blown blog, it's going to be tough to get traffic organically to a Shopify store. So that's why they kind of coincide together. When you talk about a Shopify store, you're usually talking about paid advertising and so forth. But if you know your margins and you can take a good calculated risk, then dropshipping and e-commerce can be a good one. And if you don't want to take very much risk, then you can just get started on sites like Etsy and Redbubble, which Etsy, it does cost a little bit of money, to like 20 cents per listing. But that's 20 cents for like 3 months to list it. And you usually will make your money back on that. And so those are a lot less financial risky to get started. And then as you grow and your confidence grows, then you could go after that Shopify store, that WooCommerce WordPress site as well. But this is definitely a tried, tested, and proven method, e-commerce and dropshipping, to start making money online. Okay, so let's move on to the next one, and this is YouTube. And you guys know I have multiple YouTube channels, Teach Me Money Methods. I'm closing in on 10,000 subscribers. Really appreciate all of you. I hope that I bring value to you in these videos. And I have multiple channels. I have another one called LearnWire where I specifically do software reviews. This one I talk about affiliate marketing and making money on YouTube. And then I have other channels as well. Now you can go about this several different ways. There is that thing called faceless YouTube channels. What you're going to do is you're going to find a niche market. It can be, the keto diet, and it can be health, fitness. It could be talking about diabetes if you're a diabetic. It can be all kinds of different things. Make money online and cryptocurrency, woodworking. We could sit here and go over niches, niche after niche. But basically, you're going to pick a niche market, and you're going to want to stick to that niche market and continue creating high quality videos. And you're going to want to do that as much as possible. And then you're going to be basically uploading these to YouTube, and there's several different ways that you can make money. And this is just a great traffic source. You're going to be able to get free traffic to your offers, to your affiliate offers if you're an affiliate, to your courses if you're selling courses, right? You can see how it's kind of all intertwined. If you're doing the other methods, you also need traffic as well. YouTube is my favorite traffic method, and you can make full-time income with YouTube. So this is definitely at the top of my list for the best opportunity right now in 2023. So we're going to move to the next one. And this is specifically selling on Etsy, and Etsy gets its own. All you have to do is just type in how to make money on Etsy, and you're going to see hundreds or even thousands of videos of people showing you how much money they make on Etsy and how you can get started selling on Etsy as well, and all the different ways that you can make. I've listed a couple right here. You can sell shirts, you can do, and then that you can even hook up, the drop shipping company that's actually going to, someone's going to go and buy your physical shirt, but you're not going to have to deal with any of the inventory. They're going to actually use another company that's going to ship that product out to the customer, so you never have to even touch inventory. And then you're going to close in on a nice, healthy profit margin every time you sell a shirt. And that's just one category that people make millions of dollars on. But you can also, if you want to be unique and you really want to stand out from the crowd, but it is going to take some of work on your own part, some more work, I should say, is handmade goods. If you're good at making homemade jewelry or necklaces or bracelets or just anything that's handcrafted at all, scarves, knitting, all that kind of good stuff, then you can definitely be successful on Etsy selling these, right? And you can charge a lot more for your product because you know that it has that personal touch and they are handcrafted and handmade. And there are a lot of people, the majority of people that go to Etsy that are customers, they already have their credit card. It's kind of like an Amazon type shop. They already have their credit cards on hand in the system. They're ready to push the buy button on your product. And they don't really care. It's been proven that people that shop on Etsy are not really, they don't care as much about a price being too high for something. They really just are looking for a quality product and a unique product that nobody else has, and they don't really care how much they pay for it. So really great opportunity there. Printables, I sell printables on Etsy. I've made thousands of dollars selling printable designs, coloring books, coloring pages, and different handouts and journals and just different trackers, health trackers, fitness trackers, inventory trackers, all kinds of good stuff. And so printables definitely is a way that you can make some good money on Etsy. And then of course you can sell your own art and wall art, and then we can do etc. There's just so many ways on Etsy that you can make money. Let's move on to the next one. Right over here, we have social media management. This one is really big. If you are good on social media, managing Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all these different accounts, there are companies that, is as simple as it sounds to do all these postings. You just can't do it if you're a business owner. You can't manage social media and all the different places that you need to be publishing content. And that's why social media management has really became blown up in the last few years, and it is a serious actual job title and job description. So you can go out and be a social media manager. You can offer this service on Fiverr, Upwork, and so forth. You can also build a profile website and start email marketing, cold email marketing to companies and saying, hey, here's what I can do for you. I'll give you a week or two for free, and then this is how much I charge per month. You can build an entire business around social media management, and you can pretty much charge what you want. And you can take on as many clients as you want as well. So social media management, really good one as well. And then finally, the seventh one for the day is affiliate marketing. I could not do a video like this and leave affiliate marketing out there. And as long as I'm making six figures a year with affiliate marketing, it's going to be my go-to way to make money online. Just think about when you really kind of dumb it down and actually look at what affiliate marketing it is. It's literally a one little link that you tell somebody about, and it can be in the form of social media, it can be in the form of YouTube, it can be in the form of email marketing, it can be any way, but you just share a link with someone and say, hey, this is a cool product, and then that's it. You don't even have to sell to them. You just say, hey, check this out, pretty cool. They go click on it, and the vendor that created that product, they're going to do all the selling for you. So you're not even having to hard sell anything. You don't have to be front facing with customers. You don't have to, go and give presentations to customers and try to sell a vacuum or something like that. It's nothing like that. It's literally just casually giving a link, and someone goes and checks out a product, and if they go and buy, you get paid a really good commission. Affiliate marketing is insane, and there's so many different ways you can do affiliate marketing with physical products, digital products, all kinds of good stuff. So there's so much opportunity with affiliate marketing, and this is definitely my favorite way to make money online. So I just want to say thanks for watching this shorter than normal video for me. And if you want to learn how I made $125,000 last year with affiliate marketing, then sign up for my webinar that is coming soon. I will be showing you exactly what to do to start earning with affiliate marketing. So all you have to do is just click the first link in the description to be on the early bird list for my webinar coming out soon. All right, I thank you, and I will see you in the next video.